Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to make a Discord server. You were given a task of creating a new Discord server by the group project's leader because that is the platform that your team will use to communicate while working from home. But the problem is you don't know how to create a new server. So today I am going to show you how to make a server on Discord. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application. Then, tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Here, tap on this plus icon below the list of servers. In this page, you can now create your own server. You can either use these templates such as gaming, school club, and study group, or you can create your own. For example, I will select this create my own option. Next, you need to select whether your server is for a club or community or for yourself and your friends. Here, I will choose this for me and my friends option. Next, type in this box the name of your server. For example, I will name it New Server. After that, you can now upload your server's profile picture by tapping on this plus icon. In this pop-up menu, select where you will get your server's avatar. For example, I will choose Gallery. In this gallery, choose the photo. Then after that, edit the photo. Once done, tap on this check icon at the top right corner, and lastly, tap on this Create Server button. After that, your new server has now been created and added to your Discord server list. You will be the server's owner and have a complete control over it, including the ability to add channels, invite members, and manage server settings. There you go. If you wanted to know how to make a server on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to make a Discord server, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.